Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed, and this is a spanner design, and this is a very useful and helpful this part, and this 3D body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this spanner design is a help of a 2D drafting, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this is a top view, and this front view, and this is a right view. Okay, all view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is easily you can see here, and this is a final product is a spanner design, and all dimension in millimeter, and all is thickness and all is length is available here. Okay, this material is used here nickel, and this is a scale is 1:1, and size is A3. Okay, and this product is a design easily and clearly, and this final product is a spanner, and this fillet is a 0.5 millimeter, and this body is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also okay. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is important you can see here, and document property and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first this is a 2D drafting is at first drawing a this length is this center to center length is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a both side is a ellipse is drawing here, and this ellipse is a major axis is 32 millimeter, and this minor axis is 26 millimeter. Both side is same, and this angle is 180. This angle is 18 degree. Okay, and this length is 6 millimeter, and this length is this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a construction line. A center line is draw a origin. Okay, and a line at this dimension is 104 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use a ellipse, and both side is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this also ellipse is drawing here, and this is a this. Okay, and align this distance to this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this minor axis is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and again this major axis is a 32, and minor axis is a 26 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select a line is not increase. Again draw a center line and connect to this. Okay, this is a increase some line because this is a very help of this line is create here, and both is a this is a horizontal. okay, and again connect, again click a center line and connect to this point to this, and again this center point to this. This is a very important, and this is a very useful and helpful this okay, this is a connect to this to this. Okay, all construction line drawing here, this is a this construction line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and this is a 18 degree. Okay, align this angle distance is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this align angle is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and select a, okay, this is a perfect, and this line is a 9 mm, and this 9 mm, and this line is a 7.5 mm, and this radius is a 10 mm, and this radius is 11.5 mm. Okay, and this use a offset is a, this is a 9 mm, and both bidirectional is perfect, and click this. Okay, this two line is created here. Okay, and this thickness is, this length is 9 mm, and click this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this, and this arc is this. Okay, and this radius is 11.5. okay, this is a 11.5 is correct. Okay, and use this trim entities, and this delete here, and also this delete here, and this and to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a same offset, and then use a 7.5 mm and bidirectional, and click this. Okay, click OK. Use this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this. This is a arc is created here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 10 mm, because this help of a 2D drafting. Okay, this radius is 10 mm, and this radius is 11.5 mm, and this is a, this distance is a 7.5 mm, and both side, and this 9 mm both side. Okay, and again use a trim, and all extra portion is delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a offset is a, this is a, okay, and this is a offset is this 6.8 mm is both side, and this cutout is 3.5 mm. Okay, and use a select chain and bidirectional is click, and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some extra portion is also trim here, because this trim and this trim, and okay, this also trim here, because this is extra is created here. Okay, and this portion is delete here, and also this and this and this. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And align a dimension, and this dimension is a 6.8. Okay, 6.8 is perfect. And also this is a 6.8 is perfect. And all is a fully defined, because all is black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude boss, and this and this select here, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is a 6 millimeter, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. This thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, okay, and again click this and extrude boss this, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet. Okay, all is perfect. And this fillet is 36 millimeter, and this fillet is 31 millimeter. Okay, use a fillet command, and 36 millimeter fillet is upper side, this to this. Okay, okay, and below side is a lower side is a 31 millimeter, and this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And some fillet is also, this is a 0.5 millimeter, and use a this to this, and also this to this. Okay, this to this. Click OK. All is perfect. Okay, and some okay, and use this face sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and some use this cutout, and this fillet is a 2 millimeter, and this cutout is this thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is not so here, but 1 millimeter is thickness. Okay, and use offset. Offset is select chain, and bidirectional is click this. Okay, okay, this is a 3.5. okay, this is a perfect. Use a 3.5 is a cutout. This is a 3.5 is cutout. Okay, this is a perfect. And click OK. Identical counters in the same sketch are not allowed. Okay, this is a correct. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut, this select a counters. Counter is this, and this thickness is 1 millimeter is correct. And click OK. And also this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a select a this all corner is select here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. click OK. Okay, and again select this front plane, because this is a mirror, and mirror is this. Use this cutout and press a control button and this, click OK. Both side is mirror is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and apply a material. Material is nickel. Nickel is this, and isometric. Okay, isometric is perfect, and this body is drawing here. Okay. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed here a combination spanner, and combination spanner is a very useful and helpful, very important this body. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today drafting is all point is discussed here one by one, and today drafting is available here in this sketch. And this combination spanner is a very useful, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay guys, this is a combination spanner, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and all drafting value is you can see here on the screen. And this all dimension in millimeter, and ellipse measurement, major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this combination spanner is designed here, and how to this body is designed, and this is the body is looking perfect, and all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and how to this body is designed to discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a part and select some basic point. Okay, this document property, and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this geometry is, this drafting is used here. This body is designed, and at first drawing this length is 158.59 millimeter, and both this side is circle, and circle is this hexagon, and this side is a ellipse. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a center line connect to this. Okay, and mention this center line is a distance between 158.4 is correct. 158.59 means this is a 6. 158.6 is correct. Okay, and click ellipse. Ellipse is this, drawing this. Okay, and this side is drawing a circle. Okay, and this ellipse major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter, 49.2 millimeter, and Okay, align a dimension. This major axis distance is a 60 millimeter and minor axis is a 50 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this circle is a drawing this circle 42 millimeter and 30 millimeter is hexagon. 2 hexagon is drawing here, and this is a okay 42. This diameter is a 42. Okay, and drawing a 2 hexagon. First hexagon. Okay, click a 2 hexagon. First is a click this, and this is a vertical, and second hexagon is a some angle is drawing here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing a this. Okay, and okay, this is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a 30, and again this is a also 30. Okay, this is a perfect. And some portion is trim here. Extra portion means this is a trim this to this, and okay, this is a trim. Okay, this to this. Okay, this portion is trim here because this design is a created here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this to this, this to this. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. All is a delete here. Okay, this is a fully defined because all is black color. And next is a some drawing a center line, because this help of a drawing a center line, and this length is a some increase here, and drawing a center line. This connect to this point to this. Okay, and again this point to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And some angle is a this angle is a this angle is 17 degree. Okay, this is a 17 degrees. Perfect. Okay, and this is a black color, mean also this is a fully defined. And some use a offset command, and offset command is a this okay, this distance is a this, and offset is a this 13 millimeter. And okay, and this curve is drawing here, and this curve is 16.5 millimeter, and this 13. Okay, and this direction is 13 millimeter. Okay, and select bidirectional and select chain. Click OK. This is a perfect, and click OK. And use this 3-point arc, connect to this point to this. Okay, this is a created a curve, and curve is a this align dimension is a 16.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter, and this is a 13. Okay, Okay, this is a perfect, and use a some extra portion is trim here, and this to this and this to this. Okay, and okay, and also this is a okay, this 22. Okay, default value is a 22 point. Okay, this is a correct perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, but some this is a cutout is a 6, okay, this is a 12 meter, offset is both side, and use offset is a 12, and use a select chain bidirectional and click OK, and some extra portion is also delete here, this to and this to this, and some is a delete here. Okay, and this portion is also delete here. Okay, and also this delete here, and this trim, and this trim, this to this trim is perfect, and also and align dimension is this to this is a 12. Click OK. Both is a 12 millimeter, and this is a all is a fully defined because this is a black color and perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a both side. Okay, this is a correct, and click a mid plane, and use a thickness is a 10 millimeter, and this thickness 7 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is 10 millimeter and mid plane. Click OK, and also select this and extrude boss, and click this, click a mid plane, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a polished nickel. Okay, and okay, and next is a this is a use a 32 millimeter is fillet and both side, and this is a 24 millimeter is both side fillet is use here. 32 millimeter and both side this to this. Okay, and 24 again select a 24 millimeter both side to this to this. Okay, okay, and all is looking perfect, and again select a fillet 0.5 millimeter and click this to click this, and again select a this to this. Okay, this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a this is a cutout is a this 6 millimeter offset, and okay, this is not mentioned here. This cutout is 2 millimeters perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a select sketch. Okay, select and sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and use offset is a 6 millimeter. Select chain and bidirectional and click OK. Okay, 6 millimeter is perfect. Click OK. and this 6 millimeter is cut out, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a counters. Select here this sketch, and this thickness is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and the fillet is used here. This is a 2 millimeter, and all select this one by one is all is select here because this fillet is used. Then looking perfect. Okay, this is a delete. Okay, one by one is this. Okay, some this. Okay, again fillet is 2 millimeter and select this. Okay, use a 2 millimeter, select this. Okay, not mention here, this is a this. Okay, and again select this 2 line, means this is a this line is perfect, and okay, this line is a this to this. Okay, this 3 is a okay, 3 is better, and click OK. This is a very nice looking here. And again select a front plane, and the front plane is this, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this cutout and fillet, both is select here, and one by one is control press a control button, and at first select a cut extrude and then fillet. Click OK. This side is same, cutout is okay. This is a fully okay, this is a correct, and this is a fillet is also perfect. Okay, and isometric view, and all point is a perfect. Discuss here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct. Okay, and this combination spanner is complete. All process is learn here. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this board is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and how to this project is ready. And at first drawing one by one is all parts is drawing here. This is a hydraulic body, this is a hydraulic pump body, and all dimension in millimeter, and how to this body is designed, and all process is learned here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a hydraulic pump body, and this body is a design here, and all parts is one by one is designed here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, and this is the isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here, and all geometry all dimension is you can see here on the screen, easily learn here. Okay, and this body is drawing here this, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also a professional student is very important lecture. And how to this body is designed today discuss here. All process is learned here, and how to this body is designed. Okay, all side is looking perfect, and this is a write a letter, and how to this process is also learn here. And this is a this is a thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cutting here this body. This body is a very nice looking here. This is a drawing here easily, and all process is a learn here one by one. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. At first going to some setting is very important. At first going to this part, and part is a drawing here, and some setting is very important. At first this is a plain white, and going to option is document properties, and this is a image quality. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, and all geometry line is looking perfect. At first select a plane is a front plane, because this body is a front plane is drawing easy and comfortable. At first drawing this inner side drafting, and this is a radius is 15.23 millimeter, and this is a two circle is drawing here. First is a 37 and second is 30. This diameter is perfect. At first select a plane, a front plane. This two line is a drawing here because this is very helpful. And two circle is a drawing here. First is a circle is drawing this and this radius is a 37. And this 2 point distance between this 15.2319 millimeter. This is a perfect drawing here. Again select a circle is this. Not better. A circle is a drawing here this and this diameter is a 30 millimeter. This is a 30 millimeter is perfect. And use a mirror is this and select a mirror about this plane. This is a perfect. And some cut line is a extra, but use a trim entities, and some extra portion is a delete here. This is a extra portion, and also this to this this line is a cut out. And this is a perfect. This body is a drawing here. This is a perfect and correct, and all distance and all geometry, all dimension is perfect. And next is a use here this center. Next point is a drawing here, a drawing this inner side. And next use this upper side a line, and this use a center point arc. This radius is 15 millimeter. Two circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is a 10.2. And distance between this two circle 58 millimeter, and this is a distance between this line 29.5 millimeter. All is perfect. And this distance is a 42 millimeter, and this radius of curve is a 11 millimeter, and this is a two fillet is used here. This is 5 millimeter, and this is 1.5 millimeter is this. At first select a center point arc and drawing this. And drawing this. Not better. This is a perfect center point arc is a drawing here, or drawing this okay. Okay, and this 2 point is select a press a control button, and 2 point is a this is a horizontal. Okay, and diameter is a 50 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And 2 circle is drawing here. Select this circle, and again select 2 circle is this. Okay, and select this point to this is equal, and 2 point press a control, select press a control button, and 2 point is a horizontal. Okay, and this diameter is a define, this dimension is 10.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 10.2 millimeter is this, and this drawing this 29.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and distance between this point to this is 58 millimeter is this. Okay, and again select this point to distance is 29 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And drawing this line is a drag here. Okay, this point is a drag here. Okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Define a dimension. Dimension is this 10.2. Okay, 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 all is perfect and correct, and this is a better. Okay, next is use here 3 point arc is select here, and drawing this 3 point arc, drawing this select here. Okay, and this point, and press a control button, select this point is a okay merge point. Okay, and this define a dimension is 11 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this and this point is a drag here this and 2 point, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, okay, and next is use here this select this line, drag here this sum. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a delete here, and this is a sum line is inclined, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, line is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a some line is okay, and 2 fillet is used here. This fillet is used first is a 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter is select this. Okay, and second is a 1.5 millimeter. Select this. Select this. Okay, okay, and 1.5 is this, and 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 42 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay, and some line is a mirror, and mirror about this point, this line, and select this. One by one is all line is selected, and this is a, and this to this, and mirror about this and select this. Okay, and okay, but this is a concentric is symmetric, but this relation is a, this is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect, and some this line is extra is use a trim entities and select this line. Okay, and also use a mirror entities and select a this. Okay, and select a mirror entity and select this. Okay, and one by one is select here this, and this too. Okay, all is select here, and this. Okay, all is perfect, all is select here, and mirror about this line to this. Okay, all is connect here and click OK. Okay, this not use a some line is extra. Okay, all is perfect, drawing a perfect and correct. Okay, and okay, this is a very nice, and some use a, okay, and this use a thickness is a 5.5. okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and 54 millimeter is perfect and correct. Okay, 54 millimeter is perfect, and this use a thickness. Okay, use a extrude boss, and this is use a very important, this is use a mid plane, and this 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and mid plane is a 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay. Okay, and next is a, this is a cutout is a drawing here. Okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and draw a circle. This is a line is a drawing here. Okay, this line is a drawing here, and this. Okay, and this circle is a drawing here. Draw this, and this circle is a radius is a 47.7, and center point is a 15.04. Okay, and this define this diameter 47.70. Okay, and this point distance is a 15.04 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a mirror is used here, this and about this line. Click OK, and connect a line to this point to this, and also this point to this. Okay, and some extra line is also delete here, and this line and this line. Okay, and this to this line is a delete here, and this all is extra is a delete here is perfect. and click OK. This is a 47.70 and 15.40 is perfect drawing here. This is a 47.70 and 15.04 millimeter is perfect drawing here. And this is a offset is a 3 millimeter is reverse direction, and offset is used here. This is a offset and direction is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse. This is a inside is a perfect and correct and okay. And this offset is a use here, and this is a cutout is a only 2 millimeter is not mentioned here, but this is a 2 millimeter is cut out, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is only a 2 millimeter because this is a use a rubber belt. 2 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this use a washer and rubber washer is used here, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a front plane because this use a mirror, and select a this and cutout is this, and click OK. This back side is also correct drawing here, and both side is a use a rubber washer, and this is a perfect. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and next is just select this face, a normal, drawing a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here. This tapered hole, this straight tap is used here, and this ISO and bottoming tapered hole is used here, and size is a okay, and this size is a okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect. Okay, some use a some point is a this okay. Okay, and use a simple hole is perfect drawing here. A simple hole is a okay. This is a standard is ISO and dowel hole, and this is a drill size. Okay, and this is a only diameter is a 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a 4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a 47 point. Okay, perfect drawing here, and all is perfect. Okay, and click a position, and going to this and going to this. Okay, and this dimension is used here. This dimension is a this to this is a 45 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 45 millimeter is perfect, and also use here. Okay, okay, some press a control button and Z is edit here, and 45, and again select this point to this is a okay, and this point to this is a 45 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. and click OK. This is a drag. Okay, and next is select a front plane, and this about mirror, and select this hole is a mirror is this, and click OK. Both side is this, and select this face, this face normal. Hole wizard is used here, and the state tab is this, and OK, and this is a perfect drawing here. This OK, and some point is OK, and this and this is a very use here. Use this ISO and a state pipe. Okay, this is a state pipe tapered hole. Okay, and hole specification is 1/2. 1/2 is a perfect. 1/2 is perfect, and all is perfect and correct. This is a use a state tap, and standard is ISO, and this is a state pipe tapered hole, and hole specification is a G1/2, and blind, and all is perfect and correct. And select a position. Position is this, and OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And some use a front plane mirror, and use a this. Okay, select a tapered hole is this. Okay, and this is a select a right plane. Okay, and mirror, and select this, and click OK. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. And this is a not use this is a thread is not showing here, and going to option and document properties and detailing, and this is a click here, shaded cosmetic thread, and then cosmetic thread is a perfect looking here. Okay, this is a cosmetic thread is a looking here is perfect and correct, is both side is a perfect. Okay, and all point is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, and some point is a this is a write a letter. Okay, some point is a discuss here. This is a very nice. This point is very important. And at first select a top plane and use a plane, and this is 60 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this plane sketch normal, and select a center line is a drawing this two line is a set to center line is a drawing here. First is a this, and second is a also this to this, and this line use a some write a let this some write a letter made made in Germany. Okay, and some use a middle. Okay, and okay, again select this and write a letter. This use a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, and this use a middle. Okay, and okay. Okay, both is write a letter and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a use a, this is a offset from surface. Okay, and this is a select this surface. Okay, and this is a use a 2 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all, and direction is reverse, offset is perfect, all is correct and perfect. And this letter is a, this plane is hide because all looking perfect and correct. And the material is apply here and going to this appearance and select a metal. Metal is a this nickel and going to this. Okay, and all is perfect drawing here easily and clearly, and all is a drawing perfect and correct. Okay, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture, a vice screw. And this part is a drawing here and this part is a vice screw, and how to this body is designed here. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and at first one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is this body is assembled here. Okay, and you can see here on the screen, this is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view, and all dimension is, you can see here on the screen, is a right view, then right plane is select here is better. And this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension is inches, is a very important. Okay, and drawing this body. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is drawing here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, is very important. And all parts is one by one, and all process is learn here. This body is designed and how to this body is designed. Okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, one by one. Okay, guys, let's start here. This body is designed. At first going to this part, and the part is a select here this, and some setting is very important. And at first going to this is a unit is setting here is inch pound second. Okay, IPS, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line looking perfect and correct. Okay, guys, and okay, select this is a right plane is a select here, and this cutout is circle is this, and this is a top view is top plane is select here. Okay, and all geometry value is you can see here, this is a full length is 6.25 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a thread cutout is a 29-degree angle and 0.08 and 0.06. Okay, one by one all point is a learn here. Okay, a drawing a select a plane is a right plane. Select a line. A line is a drawing a sketch a geometry, or drawing a part. Then all one by one is value here. Well, this value is a define here. Okay, and select this. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a drawing here. This okay. Select here. Okay, and drawing this body, and this is a connect to this to this. Okay, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this is a okay, and this is a this and okay, and this value is a okay, and this is this okay. And at first select a full distance is a drawing here. This a full is a 6.25 inch. 6.25 inch is perfect. Okay, this is a full, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.81 inch. Okay, this length is a 0. Okay, 38 inch. 38 inch is a this. Okay, and some is a drag here this. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect drawing some drag here. This is a drag here this. Okay, and again this is a dimension is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a dimension is a 0.25 inch, and also this is a length is a this is a 0.25 inch. Okay, okay, all is better. And but very important relation, select this line and press a control button and select this line, and this line is a going to this is a collinear is perfect relation, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this line is some drag here. Okay, and again select this is a 0.25 inch. Okay, and again this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.19 inch is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a this, and again this distance is a 3.94 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.34 inch. Okay, okay, all is perfect drawing here. And select this is a 0.38 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch, and this is distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 3.94 inch, and this is a use this 0.19, this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 0.13 inch, and all is a this, and this profile is drawing here this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 0.34 inch. All is perfect. Okay, all value is a mention here one by one. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, okay guys, all point is all dimension is perfect drawing here, and all is fully defined means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to this okay, revolve boss base is apply here, and this base is select here, and okay, this is a perfect. And going to material is select here, and material is a nickel, and going to this appearance, and this is a metal, and going to this nickel, and this is a perfect. Okay, and thread is apply here and select this face, sketch, select upper line and convert into this. Okay, and going to this curve, and this is a helix and a spiral. Okay, and helix and a spiral is a perfect, and going to this is a height and pitch is select here. Okay, and constant pitch is perfect, and height is a 4.025 inch and pitch is a 0.125 inch, and direction is reverse because direction is this and reverse direction is better, and start angle is 90 degree and clockwise. All is perfect and okay. Okay, and this is a path is a drawing here, and profile is a going to this right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, and profile is drawing here and select this profile is a drawing here. This is a some line is a okay, this is a this line is a horizontal. Okay, a center line is a select here, this midpoint to this, and this is a vertical. Okay, and drawing a some angle is this is a 29 degree. Okay, and this profile length is a 0.08, and height is this is a height is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and angle is this, and this profile is a perfect because this is a profile is drawing here. This angle is 29 degree and 0.08 inch and 0.06 inch is this. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this okay, exit, and going to this sweep cut is apply here, and this is a automatic is a profile is select here, and path is just select this. Okay, this is a select this body, and okay, preview is showing here. Okay, and going to this click here. Okay, and this thread is a cutout is perfect. Okay, some little time is a counting here, and okay, all process is learn here. Okay, this is a perfect cutout, and this line is a hide. Okay, Control Z is okay, and this line is select here, and this hide. Okay, okay, all point is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a cutout is a select here this this cutout is a use a top plane, and this is a the fillet is 0.6 and this use a circle is cutout. Okay, select a top plane, sketch, normal. Okay, drawing a center line. Okay, drawing a center line is this. Okay, okay, vertical line is automatic select here, draw a center. Okay, this diameter is a 0.34 inch, and this length is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.34 inch, and this distance is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and okay, this is a fully defined, and going to this extrude cut, and this is a through all both side is cutting here, and okay. Okay, some little time is spent here, some little time is because all is counting this. Okay, this body is a drawing this body. Okay, and use a fillet. A fillet is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this fillet is a 0.06 inch, and this is a select here this and this. Okay, and some little time is spent here because all thread is a cutting here, all process is learn here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a shape is a layer and some color, and color is a this is better. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking perfect, and this is a color going to this and okay, all is perfect and correct is drawing here, and all is perfect, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys, all point is learn here one by one, and okay, all is perfect and correct. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a spindle design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and all dimension is perfect and correct. Okay, and all 2D drafting is also available here as this body is designed, and this is a spindle, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is a this all parts is a assemble here, and this project is completed here, and this project is a stop wall project, and how to this body is designed. And also this is a cosmetic thread, and this length is 25 mm and size is 20 mm and ISO standard. Okay, this thread is also this thread, and this cosmetic thread is also, and height is 120 mm and pitch is 6 mm and counter clockwise. Okay, and this is 0 degree. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today learn here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a cosmetic thread, and this is a real thread. Okay, this is a thread is used, and this thread is a counterclockwise. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here a very important lecture for a beginner student. Okay, this is a chamfer is also used here, and this cutout is also perfect. Okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and going to this part and use this plain white, and going to this option and document properties. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first drawing this right plane, because right plane is better, all dimension is showing here. Okay, and this length is 190 mm, and this is a 32 mm, and this is a 9 mm is perfect, and this is a 11 mm, and this hole is a diameter is 4 mm, and this is a 9 mm, and this chamfer is used here a 2 mm 45 degree angle. Okay, and this is a center line is reference line, and drawing this radius is 14 mm and 17 mm this and also 14 mm. Okay, this is a perfect, and 120. This use a real thread is 120 mm is this, and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, and this 9 millimeter is this, and 90 millimeter is this, and upper side is 31 millimeter and 26 millimeter is last, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and 12 millimeter is a okay and perfect, and also this is a use a thread. This is a 25 millimeter is this, okay, and size is M12, okay, and perfect, okay, and this cutout is 25 millimeter is this, okay, and okay. At first select a right plane, sketch, reference line is drawing here easily. A line is this, connect to this, okay, a line is this, select a line and drawing a okay, drawing a this reference geometry, and this geometry is a perfect, drawing this, okay, and use a okay, this is perfect, and again drawing this, and select this, and use a this line, and all one by one is all dimension is this is a 11 millimeter, okay, and also this is a 32 millimeter is perfect, 32 millimeter is better because this is a big line, and one by one is all is perfect, and also this is a select this 14 millimeter, and this line is a 190 millimeter is perfect, okay, and drag here this, okay, this is a 14 millimeter is a perfect, and okay, and also okay, also connect here this, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a select this 17 millimeter, and this distance is a 90 millimeter, okay, and also connect to this line, okay, and also this to connect to this, and going to this line, and this is a perfect, okay, and this is a user of this line, and connect to this, okay, and also this is a this line is connect here, and this use this, and use this connect to this, and last is a connect to this, okay, and this use this is a 17, okay, correct, and this use this is a 14, perfect, and this is a 20, okay, and use this is a 12. Okay, and this use a 20 and this use a 9 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 20 and then this use a 31 millimeter is perfect, and also this use a 12 millimeter and this is a 26 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. This okay, all is better, and going to this okay, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a bigger size, then use a 1 by 1 is this, and also is perfect drawing here. Okay, and all point is use here, and this okay, this use 1 by 1 is this 11 millimeter and 32 millimeter is 19 millimeter, and this use 90 millimeter and 31 millimeter and 26 millimeter, and this use 20 millimeter and 12 millimeter. Okay, and 14 millimeter and 17 and 14. Okay, all is drawing here easily, and 9 millimeter is also perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to this revolve boss base and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this face is a sketch here, normal. Okay, and use this and this use a center rectangle, and this is a perfect, and this is a 20 millimeter, and also this is a 20 millimeter, this is a 25 millimeter, and also this is a 25 millimeter is correct and perfect. And extrude cut is also better, and going to this offset from surface. Okay, and this is a 3 millimeter, and offset is this. Okay, and flip side to cut is better, and okay, click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect and correct, and also use a right plane, a hole is created here, and okay, and drawing a circle, and circle is correct. Okay, and this diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this distance is a 9 millimeter is perfect. 9 millimeter is perfect, and this point, and press a control button, and this point is a vertical line. Okay, all point is perfect and correct, and okay, this is a cutout, this is a hole is created here, and 9 millimeter is this, and 4 millimeter is diameter. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a mid plane, and use a going to this and this is a 39 millimeter is this, because this is a 39 millimeter is this, and okay. Okay, and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. Both side is this first, and this use a click a second, and okay, click OK. Both side is perfect, and cosmetic thread is also perfect, because at first going to this option and document properties and detailing, and cosmetic thread is check here, because this is perfect, this showing here, and use a cosmetic thread. Again select insert annotation, and going to cosmetic thread, and use this, because this is check here, then this is showing here, and uncheck, this is not showing here. Okay, and this face is select here, and a standard is ISO, and use a size is a 24 millimeter, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Next is use this real thread and select this face, sketch this, select this edge, and use convert entities. Okay, and this is perfect and correct, and use this going to helix and spiral, and helix and spiral is height and pitch is select here. This is a height and pitch, and use a height is 120 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter, and the degree is 0 degree and counterclockwise. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. And okay, and use a right plane sketch normal. Okay, and draw a corner rectangle, and drawing a corner rectangle is this, and this is a both like select here and equal, and dimension is used here 3 millimeter is perfect. All is correct, and select this point and press a control button, and this line is select here, and this is a use a pierce. Okay, and exit, and use a shape cut. Shape cut is select automatic selector this profile, and select this path. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. And this line is a hide, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and material is select here, and going to this metal, and this use a copper is this. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct, and isometric view, and also perfect. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And this part is a spindle, and this part is a spindle design, and all 2D drafting is also available here, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this body is a valve design project. Okay, this is a valve project design, and valve design project is very important, and all is a assemble here. And this part is a this spindle, and this spindle is very useful, and this lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner, a student. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this body is looking perfect, and this is a spindle. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part is this, and some important setting is a very important, and plain white, and going to this option, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, Okay, and this dimension is a okay, this is a perfect, and this 2D drafting is perfect, and this full length is a 87 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 8 millimeter, but some increase and decrease also. This is a 11, and 11 millimeter is also perfect, but this is a 8 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter. This length is radius is 5 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this distance is 1.4 millimeter, and this center line to this distance is 4 millimeter, and this upper length is this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. Okay, and this plane is used here. This is a front plane is better. Okay, use a front plane and drawing a center line, because this is a reference line. Okay, drawing a center line, this. Okay, and this dimension is a use here 87 millimeter. Okay, and select a line, and the line is a drawing a geometry. Then this drawing here this and this okay, this is a perfect, and drawing here, and also this okay, and drawing this distance to this. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is also drawing this. Okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this line is this. Okay, and drawing this and this. Okay, and connect to this 3-point arc, and this. Okay, this length is also this drawing here, and connect to 3-point arc, connect to this point, this to connect to this. Okay, and this okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. This distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 3 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter. This distance is a 8 millimeter, but 11 millimeter is also better. Okay, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and this line, and press a control button and select this line, and this line, 3 line is a connect. This is a collinear. Okay, some. Okay, Okay, this is 5 millimeter, and this line and this line to this line and this line, press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, and this is a 7 millimeter and this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and this use okay, this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a 4 millimeter, and select this and going to this. Okay, this use a 5 millimeter is this, 7 millimeter is this, and 4 millimeter is this. Okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this radius is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 13 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this point distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and again select this distance is a 13 millimeter. Okay, this is better. Okay, and this line and this line is a relation is a equal. Okay, and some use a this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 3 millimeter is perfect, and this is 7 millimeter is correct, and this is a this point to this. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, this is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 7 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a 1.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, so 1.4 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 3, and this use a 7 millimeter is this to this. Okay, okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 7 millimeter, and okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, Okay, some missing point is a okay, all is perfect and correct, no missing point, all is correct and perfect. And going to this feature and revolve boss base and okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect. And this is the important point is this use a chamfer is used here 1 mm 45 degree angle and 2 mm 45 degree angle is perfect. And going to this chamfer and 1 mm 45 degree angle, this okay, and again select a chamfer a 2 mm 45 degree angle and select a this to this, click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect. And next is a user this is drawing here extrude cut is a 6 mm and also 7 mm is perfect, but 6 mm, and this is a distance is a 8 mm. Okay, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a 3-point corner rectangle and select this to this, okay, and two center line is connect to this and again select this to this, okay, and this line and this line is a equal, okay, and this line is a vertical, and press this line and press a control button and select this point and this midpoint, okay, and this distance is 8 mm is perfect, okay, and extrude cut is a 7 mm and extrude cut is a 7 mm is perfect, and flip side to cut, okay, and 6 mm is also, but 7 mm is correct. And okay, all is perfect and correct and okay, this is a better. And this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to metal and chrome, and chrome is apply here this, and one point is also okay, one is a okay, going to this option, document properties and detailing, and cosmetic thread is apply here and check this, okay, cosmetic thread, okay, and going to this thread, okay, going to this insert and annotation and cosmetic thread and apply here this, and this is a 9 mm is okay, cosmetic thread is a this a blind, and going to please enter number between 1 to 6, okay, 5.5, okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a better and perfect and correct, okay. And guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.